Hello and welcome back. So, I got a clean bill of health for the vehicle from the mechanic. I had a couple of seals that need to be changed. It was really not expensive at all. And yeah, it's all taken care of now. That means I'm going to continue working on the vehicle. So, next week, I am going to start insulating the ceiling and get the wiring laid out for the lighting and get the wood paneling up. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using as far as lighting. I know I'm going to be doing some LED, but I'm not sure which LEDs at this point in time. So I don't want to make too big of a hole or do too much. I just want to get some wires dropped and have an indication of where I'm going to be doing stuff. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. Everything is going good and we're going to be able to start going again. That said, I hope everybody has a happy and safe 4th of July, and I will see you guys again after the holidays. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know you appreciate what I'm putting out, and I will see you guys after the holidays. See you guys next time.